Hello, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Daily Market Review. Today is July 1st. So today was a strange day. During the stream, we got the narrative kind of correct. I had a bullish bias going into the day, but I did not expect a sell-off like we had in the morning. I thought it would go right away. And here's why. So at the time of market open, which is right about here. This is the hourly though. I should be looking at on the 15 minutes. But anyways, I'm gonna change this. So here's what I was looking at the time of market open. We had an hourly S&T divergence at the lows. Here I'll pull up ES as well so you guys can see it. Oh, this chart needs to be cleaned though. 1 second, let me just clean this chart a little bit. Okay. So at the time of the market open, we had this S&T divergence in between the lows on the 1 hourly chart, which made me think the divergence will hold and we'll go for the hourly buy side and eventually the premium fair value gap. The premium fair value gap is from the range high to range low, which is in premium. That's the premium fair value gap, and we have highs here in the lower time frame that needs to be taken out. And I want to see a bearish S&T divergence, which actually we might have it right now. So here, ES didn't take out the highs, Nasdaq did. So as long as it stays like this, we're looking for the sell side delivery as a second stage redistribution, basically. But here's what happened. So initially, market had that bullish divergence on the hourly, sell side on ES, clean lows. That's the thing I didn't anticipate. Like I thought they would go there today, yes, but after taking out the hourly high, so that's what I was thinking at the time of market open. So I was thinking about something like this, and then some level down into 510s. So let's go down to 1 minute because the narrative was on the 1 minute more. So let's see, where is the market open? Alright, right here. So at the time of the market open, which is 9:30, is right this one. Candle. I'm gonna clean the. Okay. Let's go down. This chart needs to be cleaned. Alright, here's 9:30. So at the time of the New York Open, this is what I was thinking. So I had the drawn liquidity as my hourly buy side / narrative, I put it down, which is 20s. And here, what I was thinking was basically because there was bullish divergence, I thought this would be a second leg for the upside right here at 9:30. Traded down there. I thought they would take it up. It didn't, and the reason is ES slows. So that was way too clean, and they decided to take that out first, which is fine. That doesn't mean I was wrong about the narrative, but it doesn't mean I took a hit on, I didn't go long here anyways. So I just waited. But as you can see here is the sell side on Nasdaq, sell side on ES, the range. The 1 minute again. The clue was ES actually completed the lower time frame buying model. It completed the second leg objective. So here's the daily range. Traded down into range EQ and boom, delivered second leg objective. Whereas Nasdaq didn't do so here. It failed to go above the high, which means it formed a bearish S&T divergence. Right? So 1, 2, 3 candles, this high became a swing high, and thereon this placed lower, broke the range EQ, fair value gap, this is the premium portion of that fair value gap, broke down, took the sell side. and this came at 946. Now afterwards, it pulled back. Where did it pull back? It pulled back into the expansion legs range EQ, the premium portion, pulled back, sold out, so it took sell side one more time here, and rejected that level very sharply. We got a V-shaped rejection. Now along the way, you have a couple things that I'm going to talk about. So first things first, we have the buy side here, because it's the S&T divergence, aka original consolidation. This is the buy side. Here's the S&T divergence. I'm going to annotate that as well, just in case. So the V-shaped rejection it's telling the story basically. Okay, it means like sell side is taken, it made the damage one more time. So the sell side, yes, also took that yellow green line. V-shaped rejection is telling the story. It says the sell side objective is completed and the market rejecting sell side. So it is going to enter a buy model potentially, but it doesn't enter buy model right away. What we wait for is, after V-shape, one thing: S&T divergence, which is what I was waiting for the whole morning. So here we got that divergence. This is, I would say, a 5-minute divergence, but regardless, it indicates market is in buy model, so seek buy side. Okay, so S&T, we have range equilibrium here. Also, it's in discount fair value gap, so that means it's in one setup for life. Okay, targeting the short-term high, which is right this one. Took that high, and it kept going forward the buy side, the old S&T, and then eventually it took the hourly buy side liquidity. Okay, this whole thing. So from the manipulation from the S&T all the way up to the buy side here is just one leg. Okay, that's why you don't see pullbacks here. This is your last resort though. This entry in the fair value gap, this is your last resort. If you can take that, or if you can't take that, you got to let it go, unfortunately. So here, after buy side was taken, it was kind of choppy range. But what I was monitoring the whole time there was the market formed a bullish divergence at these lows. So ES had equals, Nasdaq had high low, which means this is a potential sell side. So you can take a look at that dealing range from the high. So here there is also a bearish divergence, so you can use that high safely, because this indicates market is in pullback or reversal if it breaks the range EQ. So it came down to range EQ. There is also a discount fair value gap here, which was respected above the CE quite perfectly and diverged here. This is a 15-minute divergence. Market sent the price higher. Here, this is also a second leg. You can see it that way. This is the short-term buy side or second leg objective. And afterwards, I think market was done, if you ask me, because it was just going back and forth. But here's you can see a deep pullback after thick action. That deep pullback was for ES though; it was not for Nasdaq. So if I take a look at the range EQ, the previous dealing range though, because deep pullbacks will be into previous ranges. So the previous dealing range EQ respected in the premium fair value gap here. Delivered sell side, V-shaped rejection, and afterwards it formed the S&T divergence. The same deal basically rinse and repeat for the bullish divergence and send the price even further. So here, if you took this trade, for example, I mean, it's takeable. You can do two things really. This is your first objective. You can take partial there, leave the rest for runners, or you can go for the turtle soup or premium fair value if you wish to. Today it didn't do it because This was the last 10 minutes of the session. So, going into tomorrow, I'm still staying the same in my bias on the higher time frame. I am bearish overall. Short-term bearish, really. I think the market is not done with sell side. So, what I'm thinking is, because we had the deep pullback and that rejection, I'm thinking it has to complete the sell side objective. So the sell side objective is Monday, June 24th low on NASDAQ. Okay, you can look at that dealing range as well going to tomorrow if you wish to. And then on ES, I believe the lows from June 14 will get touched. So as long as it stays or it keeps the bullish bearish divergence, right now it kind of confirmed it actually. As long as it holds this bearish divergence, I'm leaning bearish tomorrow, guys. That's pretty simple. I think this is going to be a second stage redistribution. Now it could trade it up to this fair value gap, but it doesn't have to anymore because of the divergence. Divergence formed already. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if market breaks down. But we'll see. We'll come back at New York Open tomorrow, and I'll look at the overnight price action, try to get more information about what the market wants to do and stuff. So until then, hope you guys find this insightful, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great night, fellas.